Hi there, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Explorer. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. Let's begin with the video. First of all, open a link which you will find in the description learnandearnland.com. We have land day, need your support. We have various options in the header section like home, tokenomics, roadmap, use cases as well. Buy sell option right here. Learn and earn with Lende. Lende is a blockchain powered learn to earn ecosystem designed to transform how people learn, earn, and grow in the global economy. Get started with Lende. Know more about Lende. Right? At Lande, we believe learning should create real value. Our AI and blockchain powered ecosystem combines education, community engagement, and reward based participation to help users learn skills, access opportunities, and grow financially through innovation and knowledge. Right? We have our problems, our visions right here. Our vision from learning to earning for everyone, everywhere. We envision a world where learning is directly connected to earning, skills are verifiable and globally trusted, opportunities are accessible to everyone. Lende enables free and subsidized education for underserved communities through token incentives, scholarships, and ecosystem funding, ensuring that anyone anywhere can build a sustainable future. We have our problems like millions of learners gain skills but struggle to prove their abilities, earn from their knowledge, access real job opportunities. Our solution Lende combines AI powered personalized learning, blockchain based skill certification, tokenized rewards, learn to earn, global talent marketplace, creating a direct path from learning, earning, and then employment. Our tokenomics is right here. Our total supply is 1 billion Lende. Lende is a blockchain powered learn to earn ecosystem. I already told you about it, designed to transform how people learn, earn, and grow in the global economy. 20% pre sale, we can see it right here. Pre sale round 1, 7% round 2, 7% in round 3, 6%. Total pre-sale 20%, 15% rewards L2E scholarships and communities 25%, ecosystem incentives 15%, team 12%, treasury 8%, while liquidity and listings are 5%. Total supply is 1 billion lende. Use cases you can see empowering learners with AI education, token rewards, certifications, interviews, and global jobs. Learn skills and tokens, build your future. Right? Like Lend is a learner and education ecosystem powered by AI and blockchain. I already told you about it, designed to help you gain real skills and rewards and connect with global career opportunities like start learning, explore courses, learn to earn reward system, verified blockchain certificates, global job matching platform, and skill marketplace. Utility of Lendy token. Lendy token powers the ecosystem through course purchases, premium AI subscriptions, reward distribution, governance swatting, scholarship funding, staking and passive rewards, mentor and tutor payments, hiring platform fees. Revenue model streams include premium subscriptions, marketplace commissions, AI tutoring fees, certification fees, employer recruitment services, sponsored courses, and partnerships. Roadmap is like a phased journey from platform foundation to global education and career expansion. In phase 1, which is completed, foundation, quarter 2 of 2026, white paper release, website launch, smart contract development, and a roadmap. In phase 2, which is in progress, platform beta, quarter 3 of 2026, community building, wallet integration, AI learning course, onboarding, private pre-sale. In phase 4, in phase 3, which will be in the quarter 4 of 2026, ecosystem launch, token listing exchanges, NFT certifications, mobile app, public market phase. While in phase 4 of quarter 2 of 2027, career expansion, job portal launch, employer partnerships, scholarship DAO, under governance, ambassador program. in phase 5 and the last phase, global expansion in quarter 3 of 2027, university collaborations, enterprise solutions, multilanguage support, regional hubs. Start your learn to earn journey today. Join Landay and turn your skills and income. Landay. Rather than that, you can join us on Twitter and Telegram as well. Join the community by just clicking on join community. Okay, we can see I already told you about roadmap, tokenomics as well use cases. If you want to buy and sell, click buy and sell, which is coming soon. We are preparing the trading floor to match the rest of the land ecosystem. Follow the community for launch updates and early access announcements. Here is our Telegram official Lende Learn and Unofficial. To get the latest updates, join us on Telegram as well as on Twitter. Join us on Twitter as well. Here is Learn and Untoken. You can join us on Twitter as well as on Telegram to get latest updates about Lande. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.
I already told you that there will be pre-sale phases, three pre-sale rounds. In phase 1, the price will be 0.005, while in phase 2 of Lande, the price will be 0.010, and in phase 3 the price will be 0.050. Listing price will be $0.50. So that's a great opportunity for all of you. Grab yours before it's too late. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.